Hello, guys, and welcome again to this edition of Learning with Rich. Okay, so let's continue our discussion on our collaboration topic for our certified preparation for Revit Architecture Certified Professional. Okay, so this is another topic that 100% will be showing on your examination. What is this? This is the use of work sharing visualization. Okay, so this is actually the tool that I'm talking about. So in case you encounter this question from your examination, okay, don't be afraid. This is the tool that you are looking for. Okay, because the important thing in the examination is as long as you know where is the tool located at, you should be okay. Okay, and then there's this question there that asks you to use the work sharing display. So where is this work sharing display uh, located at? So this is actually the one. Okay, so we use the work sharing display modes to visually distinguish the work shared project elements. Okay, if you are going to click this option, this one, you actually have four work sharing display modes, which is checkout status, owners, model updates, and work sets. Okay, which is what we always or most of the time we use work sets. Okay, anyway, so let's start to work out on our work set. So let me just create first some work sets here. So let's say I'm going to create a work set for my walls. So new. Okay, so I'm going to create walls, work set for my walls. And let me just rename this one. I'm going to rename that. So I'll call that what? Furniture. Go. Right, so furniture. So what else? So let me create a work set for my doors. So you just imagine layers in AutoCAD. You're creating layers. Okay. Here in Revit, you call that work set. All right. There you go. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply these work sets to my elements here. So I'm going to select here. Okay. Okay. All right. So for me to be able to assign that to my elements, I'll just go to the 3D view. Okay. So this is my 3D view. And then I'll click one wall. So I click one wall. So I'm going to right click that. I'm going to select all instances visible in my view. There you go. Okay. Right. So probably I'm going to select another wall here. Or maybe for me to be able to select all the walls. So I'll just window it. And then I use here filter. And then I select check none. And then move the slider down. And then look for walls. Very nice. Okay. So as you can see, all the walls are selected. So while the walls are selected, I go to my properties. And then I'm going to apply the work set. So I'm going to click the drop down arrow. So I'm going to select walls. There you go. Apply. Now, next, I'm going to select again all. I'm going to filter. And then I'm going to check none. I look for furniture. This one. Okay. And then after that, I select here OK. All right. And then, oh, so it's already furniture. So what else? Doors. Okay. So I'm going to select modify. I select my doors filter. Check none. Doors. And then OK. Then for the work set, seems like there's a problem with my walls, with the doors. So probably it's because of the types of my doors. So let me just go ahead and select one type of door. This one. Oh, this is a wall. Where's the door? Okay, so this one, right click, all instances visible in view. So I only have three types of this door. So anyway, I'll just select these doors and then I'll check the work set. Seems like it's already locked with the walls here. Oh, I think it's probably because when I selected the curtain wall. Anyway, hmm, All right, so how about I'll just use these trees here. Okay, I'll just create another work set planting. Don't worry, in the examination, you're not going to do like this, okay? Because in the examination, work sets are already created for you. So all you have to do is to play with the work sharing display modes, okay? You're not going to do this. The work set is already set in your examination. So I'll just create one work set. So let's say planting, okay, and then okay. So I select all the elements again. I filter it, check none, and planting. All right, so planting, okay. Right, so I'll change this work set to planting. Okay, so I now have applied the work set to my elements. Okay, now I'm going back to the floor plan, level 1. Okay, actually in the examination, this is the data set that you will be using, the sample data set. So if you want to open this exercise on your machine, so you just need to go to the file, you click that arrow here, and then you see for sample files. Okay, so this is the one that you are going to open, this one, the RAC basic sample project. Okay, so this is the dataset that you will be using on the examination. All right, so after I apply the work sets to my elements, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on now my work sharing display here. So I'm going to click that, and then I'll use the work sets here. I click, there you go. Okay, so as you can see, you have different colors here. So probably what I can do is I click again this, and then I can change the work sharing display settings. So I click that, and then you can specify here the colors. Like for example, for the walls, I want them to be blue, and then okay. Here on the workset tab, okay, and then for the furniture, so let's say I want this to be green, or I mean yellow, and then okay. And then I select here apply, then okay, there you go. So basically that's how you use your work sharing display modes. So you click this one, and then you can select your work sharing display modes here. In the examination, we use work sets, but in case there's a question that asks you to select the work sharing display modes for owners, then you just select owners. Okay, just select owners. You will notice I only have one color here for owners. Why? Because if I go to the work sets here, I am the owner, only one owner, right? So that's why you only have one color. If you have multiple owners here, so you'll be having different colors also. Okay, that's why in the examination, what is in there is the work sets here. We use the work sharing display work sets. So the important thing about this part in your examination is you know where is the location of the tool. Okay, so if you're asked to go to look for the work sharing display mode, this is the location. All right. So if you want to turn this off, so you just need to select this one. There you go. Okay. So that's it for this short exercise on how to use your work sharing display modes. So hopefully you learned something from this video. On our next exercise on the collaboration topic, I'm going to teach you how to assess review warnings in Revit. Okay? So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.